Hello, my name is Vlad, and welcome to the brand new Bitrix24 intro webinar, where today we will cover the first and essential steps you need to take in order to properly implement Bitrix24 inside of your company. So let's find out what Bitrix24 really is. Bitrix24 has recently surpassed 10 million users worldwide, and availability in 16 data centers around the globe. It's no secret why so many businesses, big or small, trust Bitrix24. Bitrix24 is an all-in-one collaboration software that makes it easy to communicate and grow your business all in one place. Now, Bitrix24 is made up of 5 essential tools, starting with collaboration, tasks and projects, CRM, HR and automation, and sites and online stores. Today we will break down each of these tools in Bitrix24 and how they will help your company. So let's start with our first essential tool, starting with collaboration. With the essential collaboration tools inside Bitrix24, you'll always be able to stay on the same page as your team and always communicate with your team no matter where you're working from in the world. A very popular and effective tool inside Bitrix24 are online meetings, which have no time limit and can hold up to 48 participants. On top of that, you can also share your call and your screen so everybody can collaborate and communicate all in one place, all in one call. Remember, you can then record the call and save it so you can later go back to it if need be. Bitrix24 online calendars are very powerful and very simple to use. You can sync your Bitrix24 calendar with all your popular email providers. Then you can sync all your events from Bitrix24 into that calendar. And of course, team calendars are available with access permissions as well. Easily and simply create chats and communicate inside Bitrix24 portals with your team members. You can simply create a private chat where you can invite team members. From there, you can discuss your tasks and plans for the week and month. But also, you can then invite colleagues to join a video call, maybe discuss upcoming projects, or maybe just interact for the day. As you see, it's very simple and easy to create a chat and start interacting. And you can later submit tasks right from the chat, but we'll get into that later. Moving on, Bitrix24 offers the best and most versatile task and project management systems. Bitrix24 Project Management takes working with tasks and team members to the next step. Project management inside Bitrix24 is more than just managing projects. You get a list of effective tools that will help you get things done and get things done effectively. Whether it be a Kanban view, a Gantt chart, Bitrix24 offers various views and ways you can work with tasks and projects. Scrum. This is a method that a lot of IT companies use when they want to work on a big project with many moving parts. You can customize Scrum roles and give access Scrum permissions, and on top of that, there are custom backlogs with tasks and epics. So no matter the type of project that you want to work on, Bitrix24 does have the task project management system in view that you need. Now let's take a look at how Bitrix24 projects are set up in your Bitrix24 portal. You can actually customize projects from the beginning. Brand new projects can have simple and complicated moving parts, and Bitrix24 understands that. That's why you can add the essential staff that you need in order to get the project done. There you can communicate and collaborate, and you can add a Bitrix24 drive where you can select and have and store all the documents that you need for that project. Of course, on top of that, you can customize project deadlines and even customize project tasks inside of the project. So you get full customization with your projects, knowing that it will get done on time. On top of that, you can then simply progress and move the projects in the steps to when it is finished. This makes it a very visual and interactive way to work with projects and get things done. Now moving on, let's go on to the Bitrix24 CRM, your customer relationship management. There are 5 essential components of the Bitrix24 CRM: the contact center, the CRM, CRM marketing, CRM analytics, and sales intelligence. Sorry if you can't see that. But Bitrix24 CRM gives you the essential tools you need in order to sell more. And an effective way to generate more leads, Bitrix24 makes it easy to integrate your social media channels, your email marketing campaigns, and your SMS telemarketing campaigns all in one place so you can effectively sell more. And of course, the way you work and organize your leads is also very important, especially to your sales team. So Bitrix24 gives you a nice visual representation of your leads, and you understand when and where they are along the sales funnel line. Moving on, you can also turn your leads into customers with Bitrix24 much more easier than in the past. You get email marketing campaigns with up to 1 million emails every month. And of course, you get SMS and telephone number rental as well. So, if you want to sell more and more effectively, like I said previously, Bitrix24 is the software for you. Now, to sell more and to sell more effectively, you need to analyze your data. But to do so, first of all, you need to gather data. And that's why Bitrix24 CRM Analytics gives you real-time reporting and makes it easy to integrate with Microsoft Power BI and Google Data Studios. Once you've converted all your sales and your customers into sales, it's important to understand who you can sell to and when. That's why Bitrix24 Sales Intelligent gives you all the data that you need to properly start advertising to the right clients. Now, many businesses are always hesitant to advertise and market because they think it's a waste of money. That's why with Bitrix24, it's the first step you can take to effectively market your product much better and not worry about wasting all of your money. Now, an essential new part of the Bitrix24 CRM is the online store with inventory management. Now, what Bitrix24 does so well is the way it manages and presents your clients and contacts to you and your sales team. So that's what we did with the inventory management. We made it very visual and effective and easy to use so you can adjust your stocks and order management, whatever your clients need. Of course, real-time order and inventory updates are available. So if you're thinking about taking the next step and maybe taking your business online, the Bitrix24 online store is very helpful. And with the inventory management, like I said previously, it's the best first step to take if you want to take your business online. Now moving on, let's go to our sites and stores. Building websites in Bitrix24 is easier than ever. You can start from scratch, or you can choose an industry-specific template to help you get started. On top of that, you can host your website for free and have a custom domain name. And Bitrix24 fully integrates with your CRM and social media channels. So you won't just have a visually appealing website, but you will have a website that sells. And what better than to integrate your website with an online store? So if you were ever wanting to maybe take your store onto the internet, Bitrix24 makes it easier than ever. No coding, no need to hire outside people, just launch your website and store all from Bitrix24. And again, you have ready-made eShop templates, and you have products catalogs with SKU codes as well. Now, Bitrix24 sites and stores are mobile friendly. So your Bitrix24 site and store will work on any device. Next, we have HR and automation. Bitrix24 makes it easy to manage your employees. With work time tracking, you can see when an employee checks in and checks out of work. With custom shift scheduling, it makes it easy to see which employees are available for which time, and absence charge makes it easy to see when your employees are available for work. Now also on top of that, Bitrix24 gives you detailed work reports. So based on the employee, you can set custom KPIs, and you can customize the whole view and automate it so your employees can see it daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. Now, automation with Bitrix24 is simple. you can automate recurring tasks, workflow, leave requests, business trips, and so on. Also, there are task templates for automation, so it makes automation very simple but yet effective. Now, HR automation in Bitrix24 is designed to help you keep your time and energy focused on things that really matter inside of your company. Let's take a look at how these automated processes work inside your Bitrix24 portal. As you see, it's very simple to clock in and clock out and start working on your today's tasks. Top of that, you can go inside each task, state what you need to state, add the participants, and even start time tracking it. On top of that, you can also quickly pause your workday when you are feeling overwhelmed and start your break. As you see, the Bitrix24 HR automation tools are designed to make your life easy. Moving on to the Bitrix24 Mobile App, a whole office in your pocket. And that's right, Bitrix24 is available on Android and iOS, and it's ideal for working from home or on the go. On top of that, you can schedule meetings and events, have mobile-friendly video calls and conferences, and communicate and collaborate with your team. You can post news, write comments, and even follow team updates on your Bitrix24 timeline. Now, as great as the mobile app is, remember, it's 100% free as well. So, let's keep on moving on to the Bitrix24 Marketplace. Now, Bitrix24 does offer a marketplace where you can submit your official integrations with other apps. Bitrix24 makes it easy to get custom integrations and solutions from Bitrix24 partners in your area. So, if you ever run into an issue with Bitrix24 that Bitrix24 cannot solve, you can always come up with an integration and maybe already check out our marketplace and see if it is already available. So, next time you run into an issue and maybe are looking for a solution, first head over to the Bitrix24 marketplace and see if other Bitrix24 partners and clients have already solved that issue. Again, folks, thank you all for joining me today for the Bitrix24 introductory webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and always remember to leave a like and subscribe to all our socials. Remember, Bitrix24 is 100% free for unlimited free users. So, once you're ready to make the switch, head over to Bitrix24.com and register your free Bitrix24 profile today. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.